These are the 5 tools I use in my workshop and why they matter. If you want better results in pen turning, these tools make all the difference. Welcome to Creative Custom Arts, where traditional craftsmanship meets modern making. The lathe is the heart of the pen turning. Shaping, sanding, finishing, all happens here. This ensures clean, accurate assembly without damaging the pen. Essential for resin casting and stabilising wood. No bubbles, better results. Sharp tools are critical. This keeps the cuts clean and safe. Perfect for cutting blanks to size quickly and accurately. And now for the bonus tool. A simple handmade tool, but it makes prep faster and more precise. These tools form the core of my pen turning workflow. If you enjoy pen turning and workshop builds, consider subscribing. And all the pen turners out there, enjoy your workshops. Until the next time. Laka laka.